What is it about Nigerians? Some people have said Nigerians are loud, some Nigerians are full of themselves. What is it about Nigerians? Welcome to another strategic episode of Timotium. My name is Tim Ukuta. Today we'll be talking about the topic I have titled, What is right with Nigerians? In the last few weeks, Nigerians have been in the news for a lot of good reasons. The first was in the Miss Universe competition, where a Nigerian emerged as the first runner-up. And a lot of people thought she should have won it, if not for the controversies. Her name is Chidimma Adetshina. The next person in line, who is also a Nigerian that was in the news for a good reason, is in the Mr. Olympia competition. Mr. Olympia competition is the #1 bodybuilding competition in the world. It is this competition that made Arnold Schwarzenegger, the actor and politician and writer, to be famous. And a Nigerian, Samson Dauda, won this competition. Also recently, another Nigerian who is an NBA great already, Giannis Antetokounmpo, whose Nigerian last name is actually Adetshina, also won the very second edition of the NBA Cup. LeBron James won the first one as the MVP. He won the second one and also was the finals MVP. Now, Nigerians in different walks of life, in different callings, in different professions, they are performing at the very top level. Now, someone might ask, most people have asked this question, many Africans have asked, many nationals of other parts of the world have also asked, what is it about Nigerians? Some people have said Nigerians are loud, some Nigerians are full of themselves. What is it about Nigerians? One of the things is that you cannot take from Nigerian that I believe is responsible for their excellence, for their getting to the top, is the fact that they have a mindset that is different. They have an indomitable spirit. Now, one can link this to the fact that Nigeria, as it is today, is a kingdom that started centuries ago. One can link it to the great Benin Kingdom. One can also link it to a kingdom that most people don't know much about, called the Nok culture, which I believe was a kingdom that preceded all other kingdoms in the present day Nigeria. But above all this, I've studied Nigeria probably all my life. And one of the things that stand out is the mindset of Nigerians. And this mindset can be broken down into 3 parts. The first part is Nigerians are ambitious. Ambition is necessary. If you are talented and you are not ambitious, you might not go very far. But if you are talented and you are ambitious, the sky is a starting point. The average Nigerian is an ambitious person. And an example of this is the present Mr. Olympia, Samson Dauda. Samson Dauda started in Nigeria, grew up in Nigeria, and eventually joined her mom in the United Kingdom, where he started playing rugby and eventually got into bodybuilding. From that, this part of him that is very Nigerian, being ambitious, took over. And today, he is the #1 bodybuilder in the world. Now, that is one, ambition. The second thing is work ethics. The average Nigerian has a work ethics that is above board. Because you can be ambitious and you cannot, if you don't match your ambition with a work ethics that is equivalent, you'll go nowhere. So, an example of this is Giannis, who they call the Greek freak. Everyone who has been close to him, his teammates, those who have worked with him or have played with him, they know that the work ethics of this guy is like he's always on beast mode. So, the average Nigerian has a work ethics that matches their ambition, and this produces great result, as we can see in the career of Giannis. The third one, which is also very, very important, can be seen in the life of the present runner-up of the Miss Universe competition, which is Chidimma Adetshina. Chidimma started a beauty pageant journey in South Africa, where she was born. But because her dad is Nigerian, South Africans didn't want somebody that has a Nigerian link to represent them. And so they were internet trolling, there was all sort of criticism. It got so bad that ordinarily this could have affected her mental health and her physical health. But because of the resilience, because of the indomitable spirit the average Nigerian has, she overcame that. And when the opportunity came for her to represent Nigeria, she came to Nigeria and contested and won. And if not for the controversy, she would have become the most beautiful woman in the universe via the Miss Universe competition. But she became the first runner-up. So this is the third quality about Nigerians, which can all be placed in the bottle of mindset. Yes, your mindset makes the difference. Your mindset is like the software that is running your hardware. Everybody, or most people, have 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 2 legs, 2 hands. But the software that is running you makes all the difference. The software that is running the average Nigerian makes them to be outstanding. So, if you are a Nigerian and you are not performing at the top level, no, you need an upgrade. If you are not a Nigerian, you can also apply these 3 things: ambition, work ethics, and resilience into your life. And I believe you will never regret it. Thank you for listening to me. If this has been helpful, kindly share. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Till I see you again, remain blessed.